In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add multiple background music tracks and voiceovers using Canva. Whether you're creating a presentation, a video, or just adding some background elements to your design, knowing how to layer audio can really take your content to the next level. To get started, open your project in Canva. Once your design is open, look to the left-hand menu for the option labeled Uploads. This is where you can bring in any audio files stored on your device. If you're not sure what it looks like, just look for that little cloud icon. That's your gateway to adding music, voiceovers, or any multimedia files. Click on Uploads, then select Upload Files. This will open a window where you can browse through your computer for the audio you want to include. You can upload a mix of background music and voiceover files. Make sure your files are in a compatible format like MP3, as this ensures they upload smoothly without any hiccups. Once you've selected your files, keep an eye on your internet connection. A stable connection helps the uploads complete faster and prevents interruptions. When the upload is finished, your files will appear in the Upload section. Think of this as your personal audio library inside Canva. Next, move over to the Audio tab. You might wonder why we don't just drag files directly from Uploads. The Audio tab is useful because it lets you organize your tracks and quickly find the ones you want to add to your slides or pages. Now comes the fun part. To add your audio, drag and drop your files from the audio menu onto the specific page or slide you want to enhance. Make sure you're dragging the file without clicking it, as clicking can sometimes disrupt the placement. Once dropped, you'll see the track appear at the bottom of your workspace, giving you a visual representation of your audio timeline. At this point, you can fine-tune your audio, adjust the length so it matches your visuals perfectly, and move the track along the timeline if you need it to start or end at a specific moment. Canva also lets you control the volume, so you can make sure your background music isn't too loud or your voiceover isn't too quiet. You can repeat this process to add multiple tracks to different slides or even layer music and voiceovers on the same slide. Experiment with different combinations to see what works best for your project. For example, you could have soft background music playing throughout while inserting a voiceover only on certain slides to highlight key points. Once everything is in place, preview your project to make sure the audio flows smoothly and all levels are balanced. This final check helps ensure that your audience will have a pleasant listening experience while watching your video. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to add multiple background music tracks and voiceovers to your Canva projects. By following these steps, you can create dynamic, engaging content that really stands out. Now, it's time to get creative, mix your tracks, and see how audio can transform your designs. Happy creating!